Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing in this video median. In this median, we have individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Yes, so all the topics are covered regarding median in this video. So don't skip this video. Every point is important for exams. Okay. In median, first series is individual series. So how to identify individual series? If there is no frequencies, only we have observations, then it is individual series. Okay. If observations are odd, if observations are even. So we have two types of problems are in individual series. Okay. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means odd number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a even number. So how to calculate if observations are odd? How to calculate if observations are even? So if observations are odd, we can identify median easily. So how to identify? First, we need to arrange this data according to the ascending order. Okay. So ascending order means small to big, or else descending order, big to small. So I'm using here ascending order. Okay. So if you take ascending order in for this data, 4, 6, 8, 18, 28, 30 and 42 from this data. Yes. So after that, what is the middle value here? 18. So this is the median, or else we can use formula also. So what is the formula in individual series of median? Median is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is equals to number of observations in the individual series. So number of observations are 7. So 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 8 by 2. So 8 by 2th observation or 8 by 2th term. Okay, so that is nothing but fourth term. So what is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is a 18. Median is a 18. So we can use formula, or else we can identify easily if odd number of observations are there. If you have even number of observations, you have even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you have even number of observations, then we will use another way of calculation. See, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. So it is a even number. Here also we need to arrange the data according to ascending order or descending order. Here I have taken ascending order. 6, then 12, then 18, then 30, 40, then 80. So if your observations are even, here we are calculating median by using the arithmetic mean of middle two terms. In this series, we have two middle terms are 18 and 30. We cannot identify which one is the median. So that we will use mean of these two numbers. Mean of these two number is nothing but average of these two numbers. 18 plus 30 divided by 2. Okay, 18 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 48 divided by 2, that is equals to 24. So our median is equals to 24 if even number of observations are there. So our median in between 18 and 30 only. See here 24. This is available in between 18 and 30. If it is discrete series, how to identify discrete series? Here we have x values as well as frequency values. That means along with observations, here we have available frequencies also. If you have frequency along with the x values, then it will be discrete series. If you have discrete series of data, how to calculate median? Let's see. So for the median, we are using here formula n plus 1 divided by 2th term. So here n is equals to summation of f, that is nothing but total of f, total of frequency. So n is equals to, what is the total here? 24 plus 26 plus 20 plus 16 plus 6 plus 30. 122. So that is summation of f, n is equals to 122. Okay. So applying this formula, 122 plus 1 divided by 2th term. So 122 plus 1, 123 divided by 2th term. So 123 divided by 2, 61.5. 61.5th term. Okay. So where we should see this 61.5th term? It is available in the cumulative frequency column. That is, we are adding one more column with given data. X and frequency values are given in the problem itself. So these are the x values, these are the frequency values. Okay, extra column is cumulative frequencies. Here we need to find out cumulative frequencies. So how to calculate cumulative frequencies? First value should be as it is, 24. Okay, then from the frequencies we are taking first value. Then next cumulative frequency will be 24 plus 26. That means cumulative frequency of preceding value, then second frequency. Here we are taking. Okay, so 24 plus 26, 50. So that is nothing but with this cumulative frequency, we are adding this 26. Okay, then next number should be with 50, we are adding this 20. Okay, so 50 plus 20, how much? 70. 70 plus 16. 70 plus 16. 86. 86 plus 6. 92. Okay, 92 plus 30. 122. Okay, just we are adding next number. Yes, so this last number, last value of cumulative frequency is equals to the total frequency. Last value of cumulative frequency must be equals to total frequency. 122 is equals to 122. Okay, so how to identify median by using these cumulative frequencies? See here, our median term is 61.5th term. So this term where we should check in the cumulative frequencies. It is available under 70 because it is below 70. 61.5 is below 70, so that we are taking here. So take underline here. Okay, so 70 corresponding x value is 68. So then our median is equals to 68. Okay, just we are taking 61.5th term. That is, we are checking in the cumulative frequencies that is available below 70, so that corresponded x value should be called as median. So this value should be called as median. And third one, continuous series. So if you have continuous series, then we will use this formula. Then how to identify continuous series? The data will be having class interval as well as frequency. So if you have like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that is a class interval. Lower limit, upper limit. So if any values like 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30. Okay, so if the data like class intervals, and along with that, if you have frequencies, then that should be continuous series. If the series is continuous, then we will apply this formula for the calculation of median. Okay, so what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus PCF divided by F into I. So here L is equals to lower limit. Okay, and n is equals to summation of f, and PCF is equals to preceding cumulative frequency. And f is equals to frequency. I is equals to common factor. Okay, so these values you require to calculate median. So how to identify lower limit? We have number of lower limits are there because from marks these values are the lower limits and these values are the upper limits. Okay, so which lower limit we need to take? Let's see. First we need to find out this n by 2. N by 2. N is equals to summation of f. So summation of f is nothing but total of f. So here we are taking n value, that is summation of f. So 5 plus 10. 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 8, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So here n is equals to 40. So 40 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are and 0. So 20. 20th term. So where we should check this 20th term? In the cumulative frequencies, because these marks and frequencies are given in the problem itself. These two columns as it is we need to copy here. Okay, and third column, extra column is cumulative frequency column. With the help of cumulative frequencies, we can decide median value. Okay, so here we have n by 2 value is 20th term. So how to decide with the cumulative frequencies? How to calculate cumulative frequencies? Already we know in the discrete series. First value should be as it is. With that first cumulative frequency, we are adding second frequency. So 5 plus 10, 15. And 15 plus 15, 30. Then 30 plus 8, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. Yes. So this total should be equals to total frequency. See, 40 equals to 40. So it must be equals. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మీకు ఈక్వల్ అవ్వలేదు అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ చేసినట్టు. ఓకే, జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు చెక్ లైక్ దిస్. this last value cumulative frequency is equals to total frequency value. Okay, so after doing this, we need to apply the formula. So how to apply? What is 20th term in the cumulative frequencies? This 20 we need to check in the cumulative frequencies. So where it is available? Under 30. So that underline this should be called as median line. Okay, so by using this line we can decide all the values. See, what is L here? Lower limit. So for this median line, we have class interval 20 and 30. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. So what we should take here? Lower limit. Here L is equals to 20. Then N is equals to 40. Next, PCF, preceding cumulative frequency. So for this median line, what is the preceding value of cumulative frequency? 15. Preceding value, before value. Okay. And next, frequency. Corresponded value. Frequency we are taking corresponded. So, ఈ 30 కి straight గా ఉన్న value ఏంటి? 15. Under frequencies. Next, I is equals to common factor. So, common factor is nothing but in the class interval, what is the common value in between two class intervals? 0 to 10, 10 is the difference. 10 to 20, 10 is the difference. 20, 30, 10 is the difference. Likewise, 20, 30, 10 is the difference. So, here the difference should be called as common factor. I is equals to 10. Okay, so these values you need to apply in the formula. So median is equals to L. What is L? 20 plus N by 2. N is equals to 40 divided by 2 minus PCF 15 divided by F 15 into I 10. So 20 plus 40 divided by 2. 20 minus 15 divided by 15 into 10. Okay. Then 20 plus 20 minus 15, 5 divided by 15 into 10. And next, so 5 divided by 15, 0.33. So 20 plus 0.33 into 10. Okay, and next 20 plus 0.33 into 10, 3.33. So 20 plus 3.33, 23.33. So what is this 23.33? Median. So this is the continuous series for the median. So if you understood, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.